Missouri's Andrew Filker hit Painter from the outside of the front row, and it was all easy street until that late race caution. Great job holding the 52 and the 5 off toward the latter end there, buddy.
Yeah, as I say, you don't want to see a caution there with the 52 behind you. Say he's about as good as he gets around this place, but I feel like we have a pretty good little race car right now, and just gotta keep fine-tuning on it and see what we can do in this feature now.
I know you got diapers and clothes to buy, so solid starting spot in the A-Main. We'll wish you the best of luck, bud.
Thank you, Scotty.
All right, that is Andrew Filker picking up race number 5.
Take a little bad luck to get some good there at the end, but yeah, 40 car just spun out there on the first corner, and we had nowhere to go. Obviously, going to the back, just nothing to lose there. Try to get to the front. You know, we were able to do that, and yeah, inherit the lead there at the end. And yeah, I just got to clean up a few things in 3 and 4. I feel like we have a really good car here.
We'll wish you the best of luck in the future. Mixed vehicle. Josh picking up number 2 from the third spot. Back to you, Alan. Here, Creek County Speedway. I'm going to go ahead and sit now. Got it. Hey, thank you, Alan. What an amen. We saw Hannah Mack up on the wheel, on the point early on, loses the lead on lap 12, and lap 12. 25, a very, very well executed slide job to take that win away, and it was well deserved tonight. Mobile 1 Toyota 71K was on the move. And Matt getting that helmet off, get a quick work with it, and get his thoughts on this amazing run.
Kind of. I'll do both.
All right. One whale of an effort, young man. I tell you, kind of humbling to see that blue car go around the top of it, coming off of 4 early on, and then I'm thinking to myself, what a rebound after a very well executed slider length race.
Yeah, for sure. Jason's always been really good. Grew up racing at the same place, and he knows he's got good racecraft, just as well. So yeah, he had a good restart, and I had to check up or crash. That's how a slide drop is perfectly timed, and he timed it good. So we had to check up, and it killed our momentum. Luckily, I was able to get back clear and get to second there once Jacob messed up out of 2, and started running him down. I knew it was going to get a little tricky in traffic, and I felt like that was going to be my opportunity to get Jason. And Bo gave me an amazing car. It was a little tough to manhandle, but I think he gave me a car that was capable of winning, or he definitely gave me a car that was capable of winning, and it took me, doing my job there and just getting up on it. And this car was amazing. So hats off to Bo. That's our first win together. Hopefully many more to come. Just a heck of a job from Pedro and Spencer. You guys have been killing it. It's our first race as a team, a new kind of group here. So just super thankful. We got Mobile 1 on board for the first time this season. So yeah, just hopefully many more to come. Big thanks to Toyota, the Lord above, and just everyone that makes us happen.
Job well done. We'll see you tomorrow night at 4. All right, Cannon McIntosh picking up night number 1 here at Turnpike down
Don't touch that.
and
No, don't touch it. It's all gonna be
Yeah, we'll
second.
go ahead. Do it in the wrong. We'll do it in the wrong. How about that, buddy? You talk about fun and slide job city. Come on the short end of the stick, but job well done, and I know it's nothing to hang your hat on, man. You can't be too displeased with this effort.
No, it was a hard-fought race for sure. All 3-4 of us up there. I don't know who else was behind us, but it was tight for sure. And one person made a mistake, and the guy behind him would catch him, and that guy was making mistakes, so it was just all over the place. But good way to start the year. Got a great car all night long. I can't thank Caleb and Peter enough. Congrats to Cannon. That was a heck of a race. And I wish I could have kept some track footage from the race once I got the second. I kind of figured it'd be hard to get back but we got it happen.
Close quarters tomorrow night at 4 to be able to.
Yeah, I can't thank Toyota, JBL, Keith and Pete, Mom, my dad, the good Lord for everything.
All right, man. We'll see him tomorrow night down the road. Jacob Denny with an amazing effort. Talk about coming to the front when it's time to eat. I saw you sniffing around the top 3, top 4 there early on. You got shuffled out mid-race and then made a really, really nice recovery there late in the race to crack the podium.
Yeah, the double file restart. Sometimes they help you, sometimes they hurt you. And I kind of got shuffled back on one of them. But super pumped about this EA still. This is the only Ford at the racetrack, and we are up front on the podium doing what we've been hoping to do. We've been working really hard on this thing with Tim Engler, and I really feel like it's everything my dreams are made of. And we were 2 spots away from making it happen, but we started deep. I didn't qualify good, so we got a lot to improve on for tomorrow. Hey, if you didn't know, you can watch this in-car footage on T-Mez TV. Monday I'll be posting this, so yeah, go check that out.
See, I'm always trying to be your buddy and look out for you. You took the words right out of my mouth. I was going to say great content for some T-Mez TV coming up. Hell of an effort. We'll see you tomorrow night.
Hey, thank you so much, and thanks for watching back behind that camera.
Start to finish GB, all the folks back home enjoying the broadcast. Great job. I got to send kudos out to the crew. Every once in a while, gremlins pop up, and we have to hit that fire drill button, and we had to do just that tonight. Great job, Alan Staley, Hoss back in the booth, Jimmy Miller and the boys.
trailer?
We recovered as well. We hope you enjoyed it at home. We'll wrap it up, go up the road, cross the city up there in Catoosa, and we'll see you on tomorrow night at the Port City Raceway. A little more racing to do. Alan, we'll send it back to you.